Hello friends, in today's video I will talk about how to change iPhone location. This method will also work if you have an iPad. Now some of my viewers will think why someone would want to change their iPhone location. Well, there can be many practical and legitimate reasons such as for protecting privacy by stopping unwanted tracking on apps like Find My, Life 360, Snapchat, etc. Also, some people who play games like Pokemon Go or Monster Hunter also look out for apps to modify their location so that they can play these location based games without stepping out. And lastly, there are people who just want to prank their friends or family by showing their incorrect location. So in this video, I will show not one but two ways to change iPhone location. Also, I'll show you a free solution. This instruction will work on all iOS devices including iOS 26 and later. So let's get started. If you are looking for to change IP location or get the IP address from a different country, then you can do that easily by downloading a VPN app from App Store. There are many free and paid apps available to download from the App Store. Unlike Android, changing GPS location on non-jailbroken iPhone is extremely difficult because Apple doesn't allow it. Actually, there are no app in App Store to change GPS location on iPhone. There are some apps in App Store that claim to change location on iPhone, but they all are fake. They don't work. You can check the reviews on their apps by yourself. Please don't waste your money on the apps. Method 1. As I mentioned in the video title, in the first part of this video, I will show you how can you use a free app called 3U Tools to change your current location on iPhone. It is completely free and you would not need to pay money to download and use it. The only problem with this app is that if you are using iOS 18 or iOS 26 or newer version, then your location will reset automatically in a few minutes and your device will start showing the real location. If you are not okay with this, you can check the next part of this video. Or if you are fine with this limitation, then follow these steps. Download and install this free 3U Tools software from this link. I already gave this link in my video description. When software downloaded, click to open. Now you need to connect your iPhone with your PC using cable. Then select toolbar option and click virtual location. Now on the map, select any location by dragging your mouse and click modify virtual location. After successfully modify the location, open Apple Maps app on your iPhone and you will see your selected location on Apple Maps. You can find the latitude and longitude value of some specific place using Google Map and enter here on the software. Entering location directly in the search bar is not supported yet. Method 2. Now in the second method I will tell you how to change your both current and live location on iPhone with the tool called iOS Location Changer, which can be downloaded from Easy Phone Recovery website. Links are in the description and comment section. Here I am recommending this app because it works with all the iOS apps such as Find My, Life 360, Snapchat, WhatsApp and games like Pokemon Go, Monster Hunter, and most importantly, if you use this app to change location on iPhone, your changed location will stay much longer on your iOS device. You will to restart your phone to get the real location back. If you want, you can also install this app directly on your phone by clicking the toolbar button. But for this video, I will use it from my computer only. After download and install iOS Location Changer on your computer, double click the icon to open. Click Get started. Now you need to connect your iPhone to computer with cable. When iPhone connected, click OK. Click Universal Mode. If you want to play games like Pokemon Go, then you can use the gaming mode. Downloading resources. Make sure teleport selected. If you just want to modify your current location, then you can simply use the teleport mode of this app. You can enter any place or coordinate in the search bar, or even choose the place right on the map, and you will be teleported to that location. Select the teleport mode and on the search box enter the location name. Select the location using mouse and click move. Now take your iPhone and open Apple Maps, and you will see your location updated. Also you can open Find My app to see your current location. When you are done with changing location, you need to disable developer mode. To disable developer mode, go to your iPhone settings, then open privacy and security and tap developer mode. Simply turn off developer mode. Now I would like to show you how to change your live location with multi-spot mode. If someone is asking for your live or real-time location and you don't want to share your real location, then you can use the multi-spot mode for this app to spoof live location on iPhone. This will work on almost all the apps like WhatsApp, Snapchat, Live 360 and so on. First, you need to select multi-spot mode on top right. Then select 4 to 5 spot on the software where you want your location pointed to move. Then click Modify button. Now open Find My app or WhatsApp app to show your real location is updating. That's it. These are the two easy methods to change your iPhone location.